Android smartphones are more common than iPhones. That's a fact. According to recent demographics, Android maintains its position as the leading mobile operating system worldwide with over 71% of the entire market. Many people consider and opt for an Android smartphone because of its ease of use, wide pricing range, and even wider variety. And that's also what makes these phones more open to viruses and data loss comparing to its competitors. Fortunately, there are different data recovery tools that you can use to restore lost or deleted data from Android smartphones. One such piece of software is none other than iMyFone debug for Android, a powerful data recovery tool that can recover lost or deleted data from any Android smartphone. It can restore data without a backup, supports 11 file types specific to Android smartphones, and it's also able to restore your WhatsApp or Line data along with all the media files. iMyFone debug for Android can recover data in scenarios like accidental deletion, system crash, system root, black screen, and more. Provides 3 modes to recover data from Android devices: ultra high speed data scanning and recovery. Works with both rooted and unrooted phones, and you can even preview and perform selective recovery. To recover data using iMyFone debug for Android, you can follow these steps. First step, obviously, is downloading the software. You can search iMyFone debug for Android, or easier, click on the link in the description of this video and it will redirect you to the right place. As you can see, the software is free to download for both Windows and Mac, and it does offer a free trial. But of course, like with any other paid app, the free trial will only bring you so far. To unleash the full potential of the software, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. After downloading and installing it on your device, iMyFone debug for Android will automatically open for the first time use. As you can see, the interface is very simple, intuitive, with every tile clearly explaining what it is and what it does. You have recover phone's data, which is the main option, to say it like this. Here you can recover basically anything from call logs, contacts, messages, photos, videos, documents, and so on. Next is another very useful tool, which is called Recover Data from Google Drive, which you can selectively extract, preview, and export data from Google Drive backup. Among other options, we have Recover WhatsApp data, Line data, and Recover data from broken phone. This last mentioned option is, at the moment of making this video, just available for Samsung devices. Hopefully in the future it will be available for more brands. First thing you have to do is connect your smartphone to the PC and follow the instructions from the screen. With a USB cable, connect your Android device to the computer. Once it's detected, put it in downloading mode by following the steps in the guide of iMyFone debug for Android. You need to enable USB debugging on your phone, but don't worry if you don't know how to do it, because debug for Android will automatically recognize your phone's brand and prompt you with the necessary instructions how to enable USB debugging for your model. After all the setup is done, choose the file type that you want to recover, like recover phone data if you are interested in recover your device photos and videos, and after closing, click on recover and the tool will start scanning automatically. Once the scanning finishes, you can preview all the files and choose which ones you want to recover, if not all of them of course, and then click on recover. These files will be restored without any issues on your smartphone or on your PC, depending on what you choose. You can either restore them back on your phone or you can recover them on a folder on your PC. So, bottom line, iMyFone debug for Android is the simplest and most easy to use tool for recovering lost data from your Android device. You can easily use this tool to restore any type of lost or deleted data without any prior technical experience, which means basically anyone, literally anyone, can use this app from the first try. And if it happens that you are on the other side of the fence and you are an iPhone user, then don't worry, because iMyFone's got your back with iMyFone debug for iOS, best iPhone data recovery software out there, now with support for iOS 16 included.